A study showed a few years ago that the kitchen and home office were tied for second place as the most cluttered room in a home, only behind the garage. I'm okay with the garage, though. That's where it belongs. Does that sound familiar, though, in your home? We're learning some tricks on what to do with all of your mail in today's Get It Together with Laura Souders. Okay, you brought some mail here, and I say, you know, this probably goes against every fiber of your being, but this looks nice to me. This is what it looks like on my kitchen counter. Okay,
right.
Because we come in, we dump it, and then we do everything with the kids, and then at like 10 o'clock at night, we're like, oh, that's junk, and so, okay, help.
Yes.
Help, because I'm so tired of my kitchen island looking like garbage.
That was the biggest complaint. The home office and the kitchen are cluttered with mail, the countertops. So we want to do anything we can to not even have this mail here in the first place.
Okay.
The majority of it we don't even want.
No, I don't.
Yeah.
So, most of it goes in the recycling bin.
Right.
Okay, but how do I do that from the get-go so it's not there for hours or days?
The biggest thing you can do is try to stop some of it from coming in.
Okay.
So you can go to places like Catalog Choice and you can opt out of magazines and catalogs.
Okay.
So they don't even come.
Oh.
You can also
Catalog Choice, very
Catalog
good.
Choice. And USA.gov, telemarketing, I think it is, and you can go there and you can get out of the credit card offers.
So it's like a do not call list for mail.
Yes, yes. So you can get out of some of those things so they don't even come.
Okay.
Then once they come, the first thing I do is to get the mail every day and open it every single day.
Yeah.
I start with the things you said that are junk mail. So anything I know, like those credit card offers or things for buying a car that we're not doing, I get rid of those right away.
Okay.
So we put those in our recycle pile.
Okay.
I do it right over top of the recycle can, so it just
Perfect.
goes right in. So then
that means I have to empty my recycling more frequently, which is another segment. Okay, we'll do that in the future.
Then I have a basket, not a huge basket, but a basket for things that I want to read later.
Okay.
So not timely things, nothing important. So I put those in the basket. This can be moved over by my couch and taken at a different time. Anything that's in plastic, take it out of the plastic.
Yes, or I'll never open it.
Yep. Get rid of all of those little things that are with it. Go to recycle. And then we're down to the bills. So this is a much smaller pile already than what we started with.
This is the I might get to, and if not, I'm okay with that.
It's okay.
This is the I better get on this.
You got to get on this. These are the things that are more important.
Yeah, so, like my Bed Bath & Beyond coupon.
Yeah, that's something you might need. So what I do is just a couple things. So we have the basket here. We have a little letter separator, so a little envelope separator, and I have a couple file folders that I use. So all I do is I ask people to take their things out of the initial envelope. So whatever came in, take it out of that envelope, get rid of that envelope right away. So you take it out, get rid of the envelope, and then I take it and find the due date on here. This one says March 22nd.
Okay.
And I just put it inside the envelope where maybe I won't actually mail it in here if I have auto billing or something. But this will just give me an idea.
Together,
Right. And then I can write on the date. This is 3/15 it's due. And then I can put it in this mail slot. So I put these in order of when they're due. So all I have to see is the date at the end.
Very good.
So then I don't have to flip through it.
Okay, we're already running out of time.
Yeah.
But tell me just about this quickly.
This is one, if you have the space, you could hang this. So this gets all of the mail and junk mail and things you want completely off your counter. If you don't have the space, you can use the smaller one. And maybe if you need the room on the counter, you can even tuck it into a cabinet or move it to the side sometime.
Very good. Okay, yes. Okay, I'm going to implement these things, and I'll check back in with you next month. Thank you,
you.
Laura. We'll be right back.